Chik from EasyDMARC technical support team, and today I'm going to show you on how to configure SPF and DKIM for SMTP2GO. So as you can see, I'm already logged in to their portal. So where we want to head is to sending, then verified senders. So here we have the option to add our domain. So as you can see, I have already done for one of my domains here. So let's go ahead and do for the other one. So let's add our domain. Continue. So the platform will provide us with the necessary records here. So for the first one, this is the SPF, and the second one is DKIM. Now for the third one, this is actually optional. This is for tracking domain. So I'm not gonna actually add this one into my DNS zone. So as you have also noticed that SMTP2GO is a subdomain capable source, which means that this can be configured on a subdomain level and not on a root domain. So we actually have the option here to change the subdomain. So you guys can just click on this icon here and go ahead and do that. For me personally, I'm just gonna leave it as it is. So let's just first copy the host name. I'm using Cloudflare as my DNS zone. So it's a CNAME record. This is the host name. Now the value. So if your DNS zone has the proxy status on or the option of the proxy status, you need to toggle this off. Let's save the first one. This is the SPF that we just did. Now it's DKIM. Proxy off and save. Okay, so let's give it a quick refresh here. It's still saying unverified. Let's try to click on verify here. Alright, perfect. Let's go back, and this is now verified. So by doing this now, all I can say is congratulations, you have successfully configured SPF and DKIM for SMTP2GO.